Question 10. The bus schedule for the airport is shown. Devi misses the 7:30 a.m. bus by 45 minutes. What is the earliest time she can reach the airport by bus? This is a time question. First, we calculate the time, which is 45 minutes after 7:30 a.m. To calculate this, we can draw a timeline. We know that 45 minutes can be broken down into 30 minutes and 15 minutes. Hence, 30 minutes after 7:30 is 8 a.m. And the remaining 15 minutes after will derive 8:15 a.m. as the time Devi reached the bus interchange. She can then take the 8:20 a.m. bus. This means she will reach the airport at 9:05 a.m. Our answer is option 3.